2023 Kia Telluride S all-wheel drive. White pearl paint, Lima Sport alloy wheels with good tires, tinted windows. All-weather cargo mat, plenty of storage. Nice black leather interior, the captain's chairs in the second row. Charge ports for the third row and second row. There, right there. Obviously remote start, power windows, locks and mirrors, power driver seat adjustments. Parking sensors, auto hold, heated front seats, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, free 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio, navigation, backup camera, lane keep assist, smart cruise, auto headlights, just under 61,000 miles. And it's even got a sunroof. Come on and see us.